It's springtime. It's time to get them mowers out, cleaned up, and ready to mow. Well, I got the oil changed in this thing and done made a big old mess on the floor. Need to push it back and see what we did here. Yeah, it's a mess. Now it's time to go get Super Clean floor absorbent. Super Clean makes lots of great products. So we'll get this opened up here, sprinkle it out on the floor. Let her set for a little while. Then we can sweep it up. Okay, now we're going to start spraying this thing off with the Super Clean. Dissolves grease super easy, super fast. Start hitting the motor with it. We're going to go ahead and pull the whole front cover off. Okay, that ought to be good for the motor. I love using Super Clean products because I'm getting something done, and when I get done, I know it's looking good.